Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis by covering the gold market and the recent events during the markets. Greg?
The price of gold has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator has shifted sharply into the neutral zone. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The ROC has sunk into the negative zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has fallen 0.2% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has diminished into the neutral zone.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
The chief advisor for U.S. efforts on coronavirus vaccines said he planned to meet with President-elect Joe Biden to discuss coronavirus vaccines, as they are expected to be rolled out later this month. DeFi has given Ethereum a significant boost since this summer and kicked off its journey to its upgrade after securing enough funds for its deposit contract. The chief executive of Volkswagen, the world's largest vehicle maker by sales, expects autonomous vehicles to be ready for sale between 2025 and 2030.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Australian ANZ job advertisements will be released at 0:30 GMT. The UK Halifax House Price Index at 7:30 GMT. The Eurozone Centix Investor Confidence at 9:30 GMT. The U.S. Consumer Credit at 2000 GMT. The Japanese Current Account at 2350 GMT. And the Japanese GDP at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.